Hello everyone and welcome to this new episode of my vlog World of Loren. In this video there is a summary of the two events of the GKA Big Air World Championship in 2024. Let's start with Lord of Tram in April. Coming back here to Barcares in France, it's always a special experience. The nature is fantastic and the views are incredible. This year it was really a special event because my brother Leonardo was also there, making his debut in the GKA World Championship. Unfortunately, the wind dropped further to the semi-final. We are really in the limit condition for a bigger event. The competition has turned into a single loop event. I take the 10 while the other rider are with the 9 and I managed to set the final by overtaking Andrea and Josh Gillit. In the final, I go back to use the 9 to try to improve the quality of my loops, but I am far from the height and hang time of the other rider, given that I'm also one of the heaviest riders on the circuit. In the end, Jamie deserved the win with Jeremy second and then Edgar on third place. I say goodbye to Barcares. thinking and meditating on the fact that unfortunately the World Championship event are only two, and this fourth place will make it really hard for me to win the World Championship in 2024, even if there is gonna be a strong win in Pozo. What's up everyone? So the GKA in Gran Canaria just started today. The conditions are looking amazing with forecast of 40-45 knots. So it's gonna be for sure a crazy event of double loop. I've been training here already for like a week and the wind has been crazy. Been training some proper double loop and some really big jumps. So yeah, it's gonna be an amazing event.
Welcome to the Qatar Airways GKA Big Air World Championship. The name of the game is height, extremity, and go big or go home.
What's up everyone? So we are here, day one of the GKA in Gran Canaria. So yeah, the wind looks amazing. It's 40 knots already and it should pick up in the afternoon. I'm gonna have my first heat really soon against Zach and Josh. So it's gonna be a really great one.
Oh, double kite loop board off. Very nice move there. Again, he's got a big kicker, up and away. Oh, doobie double, very nice, and a control spin on the way down. Casati.
Yeah, I mean, yesterday it went super well for me, the event. Like, I've been training here in the spot for a bit of time, so I kind of know the spot. The wind was amazing, I did some proper double loop, and yeah, so I'm really looking forward for today, and I think I can do really good here and hopefully try to get the world title. It's gonna be hard, but yeah, I will do my best. Yeah, I've been training really hard since France, and yeah, just trying to understand what to do better to improve my score in the competition. And also here there is a bit more of wind compared to France, and normally I prefer a bit more of wind, so that's perfect. I'm just gonna go on the water as if it's a normal training day and just try to have fun, and normally when I have fun then I do my best, you know. Try to do my strategy, no matter what they do I will do my trick, and I know what I can do, so I will just stick to my plan and go full send. Now I think the level it's really good, and also the young kids are just becoming so good. Like my brother is 15 and he's already competing and scoring super high score, or Baby Shark as well. So yeah, I think like the future now it's coming on the kids, and yeah, it's gonna be some really great year for kiteboarding. What's up everyone? So now it's time for round 3. I'm gonna be against Jason, Josh and Sino, so it's gonna be a really hard one. The conditions look really good, so yeah, time to hit the water and let's go.
Lorenzo Casati, who's throwing down huge doubles out there yesterday.
Super sick, very stylish, and you see that those two continuous kite loops, no stall in between the loops.
Full commitment.
So the judges are really going to like that.
Casati, he's on fire.
Yeah, extending on that board off, getting the board super far away from his legs, keeping those legs nice and straight.
Vertical as well,
together.
Straight up.
Yeah, here we go.
Boom, on laid back double, he does get it. And rotates at the same time as the kite as well. That is a beauty. He is certainly cooking with gas now. Lorenzo Casati, ladies and gentlemen. Boom.
Oh, very stylish.
Oh, he got the perfect kicker.
There we go.
1, 2, we called it.
It's the Doobie Booby.
The Doobie Booby. Now that's the name. Doobie Booby there.
He makes it look too easy, right?
He does.
I think he has to make it look a bit harder on purpose just so the judges give him a bit of a higher score. But look at that. That's just control right there.
Yeah, and also, you know, keeping those legs in, getting it over the top, kind of timing it with the spin as well.
Yeah.
Him going one way, him going the other. Textbook.
Both rotations in sync with the loops. It looks so cool, I think. That trick really looks awesome.
Oh, he's got power. Look at this. He's got the kicker as well. Here we go. Up, 1. Oh, beautiful double kite loop with a front roll. Board off. Very nice.
Ooh, Doobie. Board off from the fin. This is the trick Stein was trying. And boom, he lands it.
He is just so... He has only missed one move in the whole heat.
What's up, everyone? So now it's time for the semi-final. I'm against Jeremy, Jamie and Kohan. So yeah, it's gonna be a really hard one. The wind is not as strong as I hoped, but yeah, I will still try to do my best and try to go as big as I can.
Lorenzo Casati, ready to go. He's got the kicker, he's got the speeds. Kite loop, double kite loop, late back board off, double late back board off. Huge there from Casati. I love how he just coordinates that second rotation at the same time. Hit full commitment, up, board off, and there's 1. Beautiful. Casati, oh! Double kite loop back roll into a back roll, board off. Casati, is there anything this kid can't do? Look at that, boom, at the same time, all the way around, comes down, and a perfect landing. Casati on fire right now. Look, Casati, but going for the double, the Doobie Booby. It doesn't get much better than that. Grab on the way down, big from Lorenzo. 1, there's 2 with the double kite loop. One of the hardest moves out there. Lorenzo Casati. And here, oh, getting it. Does he do it? Yes, he does. This is ridiculous. It is absolutely ridiculous.
What's up, everyone? So yeah, I just finished my heat and made it to the final. And also my brother just won. So yeah, it's gonna be an amazing final. Me, my brother, Jeremy and Stino. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. The wind is not as I expected, but yeah, I will try to manage my best and try to go big.
Lorenzo Casati, Leonardo Casati, Jeremy Burlando and Stino Mo are your finalists here at the Qatar Airways GKA Kite Big Air World Championship.
This is good.
Can he get it? Can he get it? Can he get it on?
Yeah, everything very consistent there.
Oh, he's got speed. Look at that kicker.
That's a biggie.
1, 2. Double kite loop, late back board off, and a little wiggle on the way down.
Wow, yeah. It's Doobie, board off, double loop. Wow, that's technical.
Lorenzo at the moment looking very comfortable. Here we go. What's it going to be?
Oh, it's big. Wow.
S loop. Oh, it stalls it. And that is huge.
Yeah, I mean, that's going to be a big score for sure.
Game on, mate. Game on.
In second position, one of the most talented athletes we have out there. Podium after podium. This guy has a very, very bright future. Put your hands together for Lorenzo.